So good afternoon, everyone. Topic for today, it's all about basa-basa ako na. Maboro ko na yung topic eh. Explain. Material requirements planning, MRP, and enterprise resource planning. Material requirements planning and enterprise resource planning. Material requirements planning, MRT. Material requirements planning is a production planning and inventory control system that helps manufacturers determine the exact quantities of materials and components needed to produce a finished product and when those materials are needed. Masahon na ka. Enterprise resource planning. Enterprise resource planning is a software system that integrates various business functions into a single, unified platform. This function can include finance, human resources, supply chain management, manufacturing, sales, marketing, and more. Think of its central hub for a company, data and process, allowing for the better collaboration and efficiency across departments. Dependent demand. Dependent demand is a crucial concept in manufacturing and supply chain management. It highlights the interconnectedness of demand for various items with a production system and underscores the importance of accurate forecasting and planning. Dependent model requirements. Dependent inventory models are used to manage the inventory of components and materials that are needed to produce a finished product. These models are essential for effective product planning and inventory control. MRT structure is a dynamic interplay of data, algorithms, and reports designed to optimize the flow of materials and ensure timely production. Its effectiveness depends heavily on the accuracy of the input data and the sophistication of the software used. Management is the progressive process of implementing, producing, and utilizing material requirements planning within a company. It's about ensuring the MRT effectiveness guides the flows, materials, components, and production to meet customers' demand efficiently. MRP services are traditionally associated with the manufacturing. Its core principles can be adapted to service industries by focusing on resource management, capacity planning, and performance measurement. Service providers can leverage MRT to optimize their operations and deliver excellent customer service. Lot sizing techniques are better tools for production planning. Choosing the appropriate techniques requires understanding the trade-off between deterring setup costs and inventory hold costs and considering the specific characteristics of the item being planned. And the next one is Tarsia, ma'am. Production management is the area of management concerned designing, overseeing, and improving the process involved in production goods, service. It focuses on efficiently transforming inputs like raw materials, labor, and capital info, outputs, finished goods, or service. Key components operation management. Process design and planning how work is done to create a product or service. Include workflows, technology use, and resource layout. Production and scheduling. Determining what to produce when and how much ensures resource and used efficiently to meet demand. Quality management. Ensuring product service meet required standards include quality control and continuous improvement. Six Sigma. Inventory management. Managing raw materials, work in progress, and finished goods. Balance cost savings with meeting customers' demand. Supply chain management. Supply chain management. Coordinating with the supplier, manufacturers, and distributors. Focus on efficient materials and information flow. Capacity planning. Determining the product capacity needed to meet demand. Involves decisions about sufficient facilities and equipment. Importance of operations management. Basics minimize waste and reduce cost. Customers satisfaction delivers product service on time and quality standards. Profitability enhance the organization bottom line. Competitiveness improve responsiveness and innovation. In short, operation management about doing things right, ensuring that organization resources are used in the best possible way to meet the customers' needed. Important operation management. Operation management plays a core role in the case of organization. Here's why important. Improve efficiency, ensure optimal use to resource, materials, labor, equipment, streamline process to minimize waste and reduce cost, enhance product service, implement quality control and continuous improvement practice, help meet or extend customer expectations, reduce cost, efficient operation, lower production and operation cost, helps in maintaining competitive pricing. Boost customers' satisfaction, ensure timely delivery and consistent quality, improve responsiveness to customers' needed and feedback. Supports strategic goals, align operation with the organization overall strategy, help achieve long-term goals like grow market expansion and innovations, improve supply chain management, enhance coordination between supplies, manufacturers, and distributors, ensure smooth flows of goods, service, and information. Promotion, encourage process improvement and implementation of new technologies, help developing better product and service faster, increase profitability, stability, efficient and effective operation, contribution directly to the bottom line, help sustain advantage in the market, ensuring risk management, identifies and manufactures potential operation risk, build resilience against supplies, distribution equipment, failure or demand fluctuation, support sustainability goals, promote eco-friendly practice and resource help organization meet environmental standards and social responsibilities. In summary, operation management vital because it touches every part of the organization's ability to deliver value, whether through better products, satisfied customers, lower cost, or long-term growth. Operations is the area of management concept with the design, improvement of self, uh, we design, overseeing and improving the process involved in producing goods and service. It focuses on efficiently transforming inputs like raw materials delivered into output finished goods or service. Key components operations management process design planning, how work is done to create product or service include workflow, technology use, and resource layout, production and scheduling, determine what the product and how much, ensuring resources are used efficiently to meet demand, quality management, ensuring product or services meet required standards. Standards includes quality control and continuous improvement, managing raw materials, work in progress, and finished goods, balance cost saving with meeting customers' demand, supply chain management, coordinating with suppliers, manufacturers, and distributors, focus on efficient materials and information. Focus on materials information. Inventory management, managing raw materials, work in progress, and finished goods. Balance cost saving with meeting customers' demand. Supply chain management, coordinating with suppliers, manufacturers, and distributors. Focus on efficient materials and information flow. Capacity planning, determining the production capacity needed to meet demand. Involve decision about staffing, facilities, and equipment. Importance of operations management. Efficiency, minimize waste and reduce cost. Customer satisfaction delivers product service on time and quality standards. Enhance the organization bottom line. Proves responsiveness and innovation. Key components of operations management: process process design, management, process design, planning how work is done to create product or services, includes flow technologies, use and resources, layout, productions and scheduling, determining what to produce, when and how much, ensuring resource and use efficiently to meet demand, quality management, ensuring product or service meet required standards, includes quality control and continuous improvement, etc. Inventory management, managing raw materials, work in progress, and finished goods. Balance cost savings with meeting customers' demand. Supply chains management, coordinating with suppliers, manufacturers, and distributors. Focus on efficient material and information flow. Capacity planning. Determine the production capacity needed to meet demand. Involve decision about staffing, facilities, and equipment. Importance of operations management. Minimize waste and reduce cost. Customers' satisfaction. Delivers product service on time and quality standards. Profitability. Enhance the organization bottom line. Competitiveness. Improve responsiveness and innovations. In short, operation management is about doing things right, ensuring that organizations' resources are used in the best possible way to meet customer needs. Importance of operation management: minimize waste and reduce the cost. Customer satisfaction, deliveries, product, services on time and quality standard. Profitability: enhance the organization bottom line. Competitiveness, improve responsiveness and innovation. Importance of operation management. Operation management plays a crucial role in the success of organizations. Here's why important: improve efficiency, ensure optimal use of resources, materials, labor, equipment, streamline process to minimize waste and reduce cost. Just another woman in love. I have control. Just tell me I will. Reduce cost efficiency. Operation lower production and operation cost. Helps in maintaining competitive pricing. Boosts customer satisfaction, ensures timely delivery and consistent quality, improves responsiveness to customers' needs and feedback. Align operation with organization overall strategy, help achieve long-term goals like grow market expansion and innovation. Enhance coordination between suppliers, manufacturers, and distributors, ensuring smooth flow of goods, services, and information. Encourage process improvement and adoption of new technologies. Helps developing better product and service faster. Increase profitability. Efficient and effective operation contribute directly to the bottom line. Help sustain competitiveness advantage in the market. Ensuring risk management identifies and mitigates potential operation risk, builds resilience against supply disruption, equipment failure, or demand fluctuations, support and stability goals, promote ECO-friendly practice, and resource conservation, help organization meet environmental standards and social responsibilities. Operation management is the business function responsible for planning, organizing, and supervising the production of goods and service. It ensures that the organization runs efficiently and effectively by managing resources like people, materials, equipment, and technology. Key functions of operation management: product service design, planning what to produce and how to meet customers' needs; process management design, patient workflows and production methods; quality control, ensuring the final output meets quality standards; inventory management, managing materials and stock to avoid shortage or excess; supply chain management, coordinating with suppliers and distributors; capacity planning, making sure products meet current and future demand; scheduling, planning when and how production will occur. Importance of operation management: benefits, description, efficiency, optimize use to resources, reducing cost and waste; quality, improvements, delivers consistent, high quality product, services; customer satisfaction, ensuring timely delivery and meet customers' expectations; competitive advantage, helps business respond to market demand quickly; profitability, reduce operational cost, improving profit margins; innovations, encourage better reduce the cost, improving profit, managing inventory, support, encourage better process and new technology adoptions. Example of operation management actions: manufacturing management, managing the assembly line for car productions, optimizing inventory and staff, scheduling in a store, streamlining patient flow and reducing wait times, ensuring smooth check in housekeeping operation in hotel. Operation management, turning output into efficiently. It is essential for delivering value to customer, controlling cost, and achieving business goals. Would you Operation management short notes. Definition: operation management is the process of planning, organization, and supervising the production and delivery goods and services efficiently. Objectives objectives of operation management: efficient use of resources, high quality output, customer satisfaction, cost control, continuous improvement, product service design, process design and management, quality control, inventory management, supply chain management, capacity planning, scheduling, maintenance, importance of OM, increase efficiency, improve product service quality, ensure timely delivery, enhance customer satisfaction, support innovation and competitiveness, boost profitability. Example, manufacturing management factory, product lines, retail, stocking staff, scheduling, healthcare, efficient flow and source use, hospitality, room management in hotels, input process, output process, productivity, lean operation, just in time, total quality management, operation management is the field of business that focuses on planning, organizing, and supervising process and production goods or delivering service ensures that organization is efficiently, cost effectively, and meets customers' expectations. Concept is operation management, process design, designing workflows that transfer inputs, materials, labor, energy into outputs, goods, service capacity planning, determining the production capacity needed to meet changing demand, inventory management, balancing stock levels to meet the demand without overstocking or running out, supply chain management, coordinating with suppliers, manufacturers, and distributors to optimize the flow of materials, quality management, ensuring product services meet quality standards, Six Sigma, predicting future demand using historical data to plan operation, allocating resources, equipment, and labor tasks over time, lean operation, minimizing waste and minimizing value in process originated from Toyota products, maintenance management, ensure equipment reliable, downtime is minimized, improve efficiency, maximize productivity, ensuring quality output, reduce cost, delivery product, services on time, enhance customer satisfaction, interest operation management, example, retail, scheduling staff, optimizing patient care flow, hospitality, coordinating housekeeping, food services, and reservation. Popular topics of operation management, supply chain management, managing flows and food goods suppliers, customers, inventory management, controlling stock levels efficiently, eliminating waste to improve productivity, total quality management, ensuring consistent quality throughout process, just in time, reducing inventory, and processing what you needed, capacity planning, monthly product, operation with business goals, predicting future demand. That's all. Thank you.